Alrighty guys, so we made it back down to the spot and it's crystal clear down here tonight. I'm gonna see if there's any speckies happening. Oh, we had something just come up and smash it, guys. Didn't get it good though, whatever it was. Oh. That thing, come on. As you can see, I got the Panther Martin spinner. Absolutely amazing bait. Try to get some speckies. Get down here a bit more. Okay. Just make it a little bit more over there. We got some nice rocks and stuff over there. Oh, we got something on, guys. Something on. We got something on. Nice little brook trout. Beautiful, beautiful specky, guys. Oh, beautiful brook trout, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna let her go. There she goes. Beautiful fish. I love that stuff. It's absolutely gorgeous in here. A little specky on, guys. Not a little specky. They're just coming up, engulfing the spinner. Just coming up and engulfing it. Wow, I think I got pliers in my pocket. It's a weird spot that he got hooked, but it's not like a bad spot. Just if I didn't have these pliers, there'd be no way of getting it out, that's for sure. Not without making him bleed. Like kind of in his tongue. Hey buddy, just relax. Gotta get this out. They're hurting you. Oh, we're almost there. There we go, we are out. And you can go back, buddy. There you go. Off he goes. Beautiful looking fish. Absolutely gorgeous looking fish. Let's see if there's any sitting in here, guys. You never know, there might be. Something swiping at it anyway. Something's to swipe at it pretty much right away. Something in here. We got something, guys. Got something. What do we get? Little brook trout. Little specky. Okay, I'm gonna sneak up to the edge here so I can wet my hand. This guy. Oh! Just a little specky. Barely hooked. That's what I like to see. Beautiful little specky, guys. Beautiful little specky. Alright, buddy. Yeah, there he goes. He's gone. Let's see if we can get another one, guys. A little bit bigger than that. Sorry I'm being quiet. It's just such a spooky species. They don't... It's so hard to get them without them getting spooked. Another lay down here, guys. I'm gonna try to move in silently. See if we can get a cast in on this one. I know it's gonna be hard. I'll try this cast first. Oh, we got one, guys. We got one. Oh, that's a chub, guys. That there be a chub. This is a chub. Let that guy go. Get right back in there. Oh, just got smacked right away. There we go, we got something again, guys. Another chub. Seems to be a nice chub hole over here. I don't know if we lean through these guys, we might. We got something else. Lean through these guys. Fuck. Bugs are getting bad though, I tell you that much. Guess we're right next to the wilderness now. Just crappy, but you gotta keep it down in here. They're such a spooky fish, so. And these are all good areas for them to be. It's a fast moving water in here. I love that stuff, so. Look down some more. You never know what's in these little holes, guys. Always gotta try them out. Because these are some deep, deep little holes too, so. Alrighty guys, so one specky from the spot is pretty good. Can't really complain. Tiny little guy, but it's good to see. Oh, bugs are eating me alive. I'm actually gonna try a few casts on here, guys. I'm gonna keep quiet here. Sneak out on here and see if I can find something to bite on this side here. You never know. Well guys, that's it. I'm heading home. There's a storm coming in. Not too bad. Got a few little speckies. No intro, no outro on this video, but at least we got out and got some fish on the little panther martin. But yeah, I'm heading home. Gonna have a bite to eat and get to bed. I got good old work tomorrow. Talk to you later, guys. And don't forget, please like, share, and subscribe, and keep having that spin, spun, fishing fun.